Are electric cars the future? Or just a temporary trend? You see them everywhere now, from sleek Teslas to powerful electric trucks. It feels like overnight, the world decided to go electric? But will they actually replace the gas cars we've known our entire lives? Let's break it down. Just a decade ago, an EV was a rare sight. Now, global sales are skyrocketing. Major players like Tesla, BYD, and even legacy giants like Ford and Volkswagen are pouring billions into electric technology. Why the sudden shift? A big reason is the environment. We all know that gas cars contribute to air pollution, and transportation is one of the largest sources of carbon emissions. EVs offer a cleaner, zero tailpipe emission alternative. Plus, with governments worldwide offering tax credits and setting deadlines to ban new gas car sales, the writing is on the wall. The United Kingdom and Norway are already planning to phase them out in the next few years. It's not just policy, it's technology. Remember when EVs could barely make it across town on a single charge? Those days are long gone. Today's electric cars can easily travel over 300 miles or 500 kilometers on one charge. And with fast charging, you can get up to 80% battery in less than 30 minutes. That's just enough time to grab a coffee. Plus, the tech is only getting better. Scientists are working on solid-state batteries, which promise even longer ranges and lightning-fast charging. On top of that, electric motors are incredibly efficient. They deliver instant acceleration, run almost silently, and have fewer moving parts, which means less maintenance. No more oil changes. But what about charging? This is still a huge concern for many people. It's true that gas stations are on every corner, while charging infrastructure is still playing catch-up. However, progress is happening fast. Public charging networks are expanding into cities, highways, and even workplaces. And for most EV owners, the best part is home charging. You just plug your car in overnight, and it's ready to go in the morning, just like your smartphone. Imagine never having to visit a gas station again. As this network grows, range anxiety will become a thing of the past. So, if EVs are so great, why hasn't everyone switched? Well, there are a few roadblocks. First, the price. Even though battery costs are dropping, the initial price tag for an EV is still higher than a comparable gas car. For many families, that's a deal. Then there's the charging gap. While cities are building out networks, if you live in a rural area or in a developing country, finding a charger can be a real challenge. We also need to think about the batteries themselves. They require minerals like lithium and cobalt, and the supply chain for these materials is a huge global challenge. And let's not forget, there are literally billions of gas cars already on the road. It will take decades to replace them all. So, what's the final verdict? Will electric cars completely replace gas-powered vehicles? The answer is, eventually, yes. But it won't happen overnight. In the short term, until about 2035, we'll see EV sales boom, but gas cars will still rule the roads. By 2050, things will look very different. Many countries will have banned new gas car sales, making EVs the default choice for new buyers. And long-term, beyond 2050, gas cars might become a niche product, like classic cars are today a hobby for enthusiasts, not a daily driver. The path to an all-electric future is clear, but it's a marathon, not a sprint. The technology is here, the environmental need is urgent, and the global push is undeniable. The age of gasoline is slowly coming to an end, paving the way for a cleaner, quieter, and electric-powered world. Thanks for watching. What do you think? Are you ready to make the switch to electric? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on the future of technology. See you in the next one!